हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम यू ऑल ऑन योर पीडी एजुकेशन। सो फ्रेंड्स, आपके लिए एक बहुत अच्छी गुड न्यूज़ है। इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी भुवनेश्वर हैज़ कम अप विद द पीएचडी एडमिशन फॉर ऑटोनॉमस सेशन 2021, okay, and also for MTech admission. So in news and update here you can see MTech admission for session 2021 and 2022 and PhD admission for session 2021 and 2022. Okay, so let's go for MTech and as well as let's go for PhD admissions. So here you can see, if I talk about MTech, so MTech admission will be basically started from 5th of March and last date for apply is 7th of April, and this admission is going to be completed through the COEP. Okay, so COEP is a different platform, and this is IIT Bhubaneswar offering MTech in these departments. Here you can see. Okay, so from this here you can see the details of department and all other details in this website. Okay, and also school offering the programs like School of Earth, Ocean and Climate Science, School of Infrastructure and all. And eligibility criteria here you can see. Okay, essential and desirable requisites. So here you can see for architect and planning there is a transportation engineering students can in transportation you can apply, and 60% or 6.5 CGPA required, and a number of seats are also given. Okay, and here you can see the fee structure and reservation shortlisting and selection criteria. So the shortlisting of regular candidate for admission into MTech program will be based on gate score only. Okay, so it is entirely, or we can say purely, based on gate score. On the selection of regular candidate is based on 70% weightage for gate and 30% weightage to the written view and interview. Okay, candidate is different category shall be as part of norm of institute. Okay, and the final selection of regular candidate is solely based on combined score of 70% weightage to gate and 30% weightage to written test and interview. Okay, and these are the norms, or we can say criteria, for sponsored and sponsored candidate. And financial assistantship, given by MHRD, so it is same for all the IITs, we can say, for MTech and PhD. And application fee is 300 rupees for OBC, general and EWS. For SC, ST, PWD it is 150. Okay, so if you want to apply you can just click here and you can apply. Now if I talk about we can say PhD admission, then the dates are different. PhD admissions are opened from 10th of March and last date of submission is 20th of April. And these are the schools of basic science who are offering the, we can say, PhD. Okay, this is the different departments who are offering PhD. Here you can see the eligibility criteria and other, basically we can say. Here you can see PhD in engineering, then minimum 60% marks in MTech, or if you are going for direct PhD, then BTech with the minimum 70% marks and 7.5 CGPA with valid gate score. Okay, and this is the application fees, we can say. Okay, so friends, this is all about the forms. And if you want to we can say enroll for post gate counseling of your PDA, then please fill the Google form so that our mentors or our executive will call back you. So thank you very much, friends.